totally agree with Kaz. I think, one thing I'll add to that is like we come from the dark ages of like having to like take up doing Kubernetes the hard way. Shout out to you, Kelsey. And if you think about it, there's tools that made things easier. Things like, Minikube. My guy over there created that, right? So it's like, and then things like Kind that made it easier for that. So, what it's saying is time and adoption will help things get easier from that perspective. And I think there'll be a point where we obfuscate even like the operational burden that is Kubernetes, right? It'll be kind of, hey, we have things like Pulumi out there. We have like Terraform. We have all of these tools that help like deploy the backend stuff. So it's going to be a developer can literally just, spin things up as necessary. But I totally agree with Kaz on this one. It's like, look, it's the endpoints here that people are pointing things to that I think will make things easier from that perspective.